Hi there, students. To sidestep, or as a noun, a sidestep. So literally this means to step to one side. But we're using this verb to sidestep, meaning to avoid, to evade a problem, to dodge. So normally when you ask a politician a direct question, is your government responsible for this? The politician will sidestep the question. Well, firstly, this you need to define what you mean by responsible for this, and they're not going to answer your question. To sidestep your responsibility, to avoid your responsibility. You don't you don't make yourself responsible for something. You sidestep it. To sidestep an issue, you don't deal with the problem. You take a step to the side and you let it go past. The car tried to run me down, but I sidestepped the car. I stepped to the side. So to avoid by stepping sidewards. He sidestepped the defender and continued forwards. So this is a step taken sideways in order to avoid something, unpleasant. To sidestep, while you're skiing, if you're on a slope and you want to go up the slope, you're going to have to sidestep. You're going to have to put yourself on the side and step up the hill with a sidestep. But to sidestep, a step taken sideways in order to avoid a problem. He sidestepped the problem by talking about something else. He sidestepped the question by saying that this was something that was not relevant. To evade, to avoid, to dodge, to shirk from doing what you're supposed to do. He tried to sidestep the rules that govern this thing. So to sidestep, it's to move quickly to one side in order to avoid something. He's very good at sidestepping the issue. I sidestepped to make way for the person who was running towards me. To sidestep a difficult question. No, I don't like to sidestep questions in class. I like difficult questions because they give me an opportunity to learn. I'm very happy when I say, I'm going to have to look into that. Okay, so to sidestep your responsibility, to duck, to bypass, to elude, to circumvent, to dodge. So yes, politicians are experts in sidestepping questions, taking a step to one side and not answering the real issue. They're sidestepping the real issue. They're trying to avoid the real problem, and this is the idea of the sidestep, is to take a step to the side and hope that the problem goes past you, that you don't have to deal with it. Her 3-year-old daughter said, "Mummy, where do babies come from?" And she sidestepped the question and offered her daughter some ice cream. People sidestep questions all the time, but it's not a good thing to sidestep questions because you're going to have to deal with them later. You can't sidestep your responsibilities for your children. There was dog excrement all over the pavement, and I had to sidestep it to get to the door. Okay, so yeah, ways of sidestepping the rules, sidestepping the law, to evade, to avoid. He tried to punch me, but I sidestepped the blow. Okay, so to sidestep. let's see, formality to sidestep. 4.5, 5 in formality. I think you can use this just about anywhere. Something very formal? Yeah, just about, I suppose. To sidestep and the origin, well, you're taking a step to one side. So, sidestep.